In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Google Drive. If you're new to Google's tools, don't worry. This is a very simple process and it only takes a moment once you know where to look. Google Drive is the place where you can store files, open shared documents, and keep your work organized online. So knowing how to get there quickly is very useful. To begin, go to your Google Chrome dashboard. This simply means opening Google Chrome and making sure you're on a Google page or your usual Chrome start page where you can access Google services. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you may need to do that first because Google Drive is tied to your account. Once you're in Chrome and ready, you can move on to the next part. Now look toward the upper area of the screen for the Google Apps icon. This is the small grid-shaped icon made up of dots, and it opens a menu with different Google tools and services. It's an important shortcut because it gives you quick access to apps like Gmail, Docs, Sheets, and of course Google Drive. Click on that Google Apps icon to open the menu. When the Apps menu appears, look through the available options until you find Drive. Depending on your screen size or browser window, you may see it right away, or you might need to scroll a little within the Apps panel to locate it. Once you see Drive, click on it. After you click Drive, Google Drive will open and take you to your main Drive homepage. This is where you'll be able to view your files, folders, shared items, and recent documents. From here, you can upload files, create folders, open documents, and manage your stored content. If this is your first time using it, take a moment to look around so you can get familiar with the layout. A helpful tip is that if you use Google Drive often, you can bookmark the page in Chrome for faster access next time. That way you won't need to go through the apps menu every single time you want to open it. And that's it. Once you open Chrome, click the Google Apps icon and select Drive. You'll be able to access your Google Drive quickly and easily whenever you need it.